In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in AutoCAD. Whether you're adding new text to your drawing or tweaking existing content, understanding the basics will make your workflow more efficient and your designs more precise. Let's dive right in. First, let's begin by creating some text. To do this, you'll need to type text into the command line and press enter. This step initiates the process and lets AutoCAD know you're ready to place some text in your drawing. Now, once you've activated the text command, you'll notice your cursor changing. Click with your mouse on the area where you want your text to appear. This first click sets the starting point. After that, move your mouse in the direction you want the text to align and click again to lock it in. By specifying the direction, you ensure that your text aligns perfectly with your design needs, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or at an angle. Next, it's time to type in the text you want to display. Once you're satisfied with what you've typed, press Ctrl and Enter to complete the command. This saves your text and exits the text input mode, allowing you to see your text in context with the rest of your drawing. Now that you've created your text, let's talk about how to edit it. If you decide you want to change the text content, simply double-click the text you want to modify. This action opens up the text editor, where you can make any necessary changes. It's that simple. But what if you want to take it a step further and change the style of your text? Well, that's easy. Click on the text you want to modify, then type Properties in the command line and press Enter. This command opens the Properties palette, where you'll find a range of options to customize your text. Here, you can switch to different existing text styles, giving your drawing the exact feel you want. Plus, if you need to change the size, you can adjust the text height in the Properties palette as well. This gives you full control over how your text appears, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your overall design. And just like that, you now know the basics of creating and editing text in AutoCAD. These tools are straightforward, yet they offer a significant amount of flexibility and power in working with your designs. Practice these steps a few times to become more comfortable with them, and soon, editing text in AutoCAD will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy designing!